Fully active, my father, yeah, that. Look at that, people. Pepper steak pizza. Fully active, my father. Cook and Vibe. Fully active. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. If you ain't press the like button, do it quick and fast. Get the video moving. If you ain't subscribed already, please do. If you already subscribed, big up yourself. Fully active in the kitchen again. The sunshine is starting to pop out outside, people. We soon go out there and we soon get back to what we normally do. You know what I'm saying? Today, we are cooking another twist. We're taking pizza from Italy, I suppose, and pepper steak from Jamaica. And we're gonna put these together and we're gonna make a pepper steak pizza. Pepper steak, you're gonna need some scallion, sweet pepper, onion, scotch bonnet, and some steak. I'm using sirloin steak today for it. Chicken seasoning, all purpose. You know what I keep explaining every time, but that's basically like an all purpose. A little bit of paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and that is what you're gonna need for the pepper steak. If you actually go back a couple episodes, you will see the full episode of pepper steak. So you can just go back to that and check how to cook it properly. Now, I would have loved to cook my own pizza, made my own pizza dough, but it's just timing. You know what I'm saying? Cook and Vibe, timing. So I've got some pizza bases here ready to go. I've got some tomato puree here, and I also got some mozzarella cheese over here. So we're gonna put it all together and make a pepper steak pizza. I say, first of all, you're gonna wanna make your pepper steak. Chop up your steak, cut up your onion, your scallion, your scotch bonnet, and your sweet pepper. Season it up with your seasonings. Again, if you wanna see the full episode on how to make pepper steak, just go back a couple episodes. I will put it at the end of the episode, so you can just click on it and get the full recipe to pepper steak, because we're not going to be showing that part on today's episode. You know what I'm saying? I hope everyone's all right. Big up yourself. Enough love and respect. Let's get busy. That is it, people. I've chopped up all my vegetables, as you can see there. And I've got my steak seasoned over there. So I'm just going to cook this up now and get the peppered steak cooking. Do you know what I'm saying? Because that's just the first part. Again, check out the full recipe in a couple episodes before for the pepper steak. That is it, people. We're cooking pizza. In the meantime, people, while the pepper steak is cooking, we are going to cut up some onion, the rest of the sweet pepper, and some scallion. And this is going to be for the toppings for the pizza as well. That is it, people. So for the toppings, look. So I just want to cut the onion like this. Nice and thin. We don't want no thick bits of onion. As you can see, these are the bits we're going to be using here. Just spread it out like that. You know what I'm saying? There's a little bit too thick there. I don't want to use that bit. That is it. That's how we want it, just like that. And then for the pepper, we're just gonna cut that there, and then just nice thin slices. You know what I'm saying? Fully active. The onion's burning my eyes. Press the like button and share the live. It's not even live. You can share it anyway. And subscribe if you ain't already, please. Subscribed? I don't know what's wrong with me today, people. Pepper steak pizza. We're fully active in the kitchen. And for the scallion, we're just gonna cut that up. Nice and thin. Just like that. And that is it. That's our extra little toppings, apart from the peppered steak. You know what I'm saying? That is it, people. Fully active. Next, people. Actually, as you can see, toppings. Yeah, got our toppings ready. So next to mozzarella. So what we're gonna do next, what was that? I just flew past the camera. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice it up nice and thin. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it onto this board to like dry it out, to take away the wetness. This is like this board will take away the wetness. So basically slicing it up and taking away the wetness, laying it out on this board. There we go, people. There's the mozzarella. I'm not gonna season the mozzarella yet. I'm gonna wait until that's on top of the pizza. So we've got our mozzarella, we've got our toppings there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get this ready now. The pepper steak is nearly done. Let's have a look. Good vibes. That is looking healthy. That is it, people. So that is pretty much nearly done, because remember it was sirloin steak we used as well. So we're still gonna cook it with a pizza, so we don't want it to be too tough. So I'm probably gonna actually turn this off now. Yeah. You gotta test the pepper steak once you're done. That is it, people. So next, even though this looks absolutely beautiful, we're gonna take out the steak from the sauce and the vegetables. And we're gonna put that to the side and let it cool down, obviously, first. And then we're gonna start assembling, people. Yeah, I think we can start putting tomato puree on the pizza base in a second as well. Yes, people, that is what is left in the pepper steak. And there is the steak. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's time to assemble now, people. We've got our little things in there. And I was gonna mix this with this, but this is really spicy. So I think we're just gonna keep the pizza with the tomato puree. All right, people, it's time to assemble now. As you can see, everything is there, fully active. So we're gonna get some tomato puree on there first, people. I think we'll see what that does first. There we go, spread that around. Might need a little bit more, actually. Maybe not. That is it. I was really concentrating. They're quiet. Okay. I feel like that's cool. Get around. A little bit too far there. I feel like that's cool. So we're gonna start adding the mozzarella to the pizza base. We are gonna season the mozzarella before, but yeah, first things first. You know what I'm saying? Onions next, people. That is it. Fully active pepper steak pizza. Yeah. And then we're gonna go in with some scallion. That is it. And then we're gonna go in. Main part of the show, people. You know what I'm saying? That is it. Press that like button, get the video moving. If you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Pepper steak pizza. Look at that. All right, now we're gonna ruin the aesthetic a little bit, but we're gonna put some cheese on top, some grated cheddar cheese on top. some oregano, just to finish it off, people, and a little bit of olive oil to finish. That is it. I don't wanna mess this up, people.
Perfect.
That is it. Good vibes. Pepper steak pizza. Low and slow in the oven, people. You know what I'm saying? Because obviously we've made it ourselves, so we don't want it to cook too fast. We want everything to cook proper. So low and slow, I'd probably say about 10 to 12 minutes, 8 to 12 minutes. Check in between them times there and see what I've run. Pepper steak pizza. Let's see how it comes out. Fully active, my father, hear that. Look at that, people. Pepper steak pizza. It looks beautiful. It smells beautiful. The woman who helped me is beautiful. I'm joking. Can we get a like, please? Subscribe if you ain't already. You don't know anything set. Look at that, people. You can see all the little spices. Look, you can see the oregano on it and everything. I feel like just keep filming it. Look at that. Yeah. Let's get a little nice cutaway. Fully active. Here is my Jamaican-inspired peppered steak pizza. See it there? It might look simple, but there's a lot of effort gone into this. I'll get myself a slice. I'm not going to ruin it with any sauce. Straight in with the meat. Now that's really good. It's taken away. The pepper steak was really, really spicy. But when we've taken it out, when we've taken it out and now put it on here, it's a little spice, like a little tiny, tiny little kick. But it works. It's really good. That is it, people. That is it, man. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I don't know if I've got cheese around my face. I appreciate you lot. If you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Press that like button, get the video moving. I'll see you again very soon. That is it.